Maintenance.
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 Maintenance is a noun. As a noun, maintenance can mean 1. Actions performed to keep some machine or system functioning or in service. 2. A tort committed when a third party who does not have a bona fide interest in a lawsuit provides help or acquires an interest to a litigant's lawsuit. 3. Alimony, a periodical payment or a lump sum made or ordered to be made to a spouse after a divorce. 4. Child support. 5. Money required or spent to provide for the needs of a person or a family. 6. The natural process which keeps an organism alive.
To high-maintenance women and shrill